Bonjour tout le monde. Today let us see an important grammar topic in lesson 3. It is les adjectives demonstrative. The demonstrative adjectives. Very important. You can definitely expect this grammar either in 2 marks or in 4 marks, or sometimes even in MCQ multiple choice questions they will ask this grammar. Okay, so if you take lesson 3 page number 28, you can see the grammar explanation given in French and certain examples also given. Please refer those examples. Definitely you can get those examples for your MCQ questions. So please refer page number 28. Now let me explain what is adjective demonstrative. Adjective demonstrative or demonstrative adjectives are used to show persons, animals or things. Say for example, masculine singular sir, feminine singular seth, plural say, and for vowel cet, and for vowel cet. Vowel concept is applicable only for masculine singular. This vowel concept is not applicable for feminine singular. Okay, it is not applicable for feminine singular. It is applicable only for masculine singular. And all these 4 concepts, sir, said, say, said, all these, okay, in English, wherever we use this and these. Sir is singular, so this. The meaning of sir is this. Feminine singular also this. Say is also this. Plural it is these. Plural it is these. Hope it is clear for you all. Now let us see how it is sir. In which case we use sir, which case we use Seth, which case we use say, and which case we use cet, Seth vowel. First, as usual, noun or object ending up with e is feminine and marked as Seth. Listen here carefully. Noun or object ending up with e is feminine and marked as Seth. It is ending up with e. It is ending up with e. And here also it is ending up with e. Okay. So, all those ending up with e is feminine singular. All those ending up with e is feminine singular and should be marked as Seth. And the meaning for this Seth is this. This river, Seth rivière, this river, Seth montagne, this mountain, Seth campaign, this countryside. There are some exceptionals also. Say for example, Seth foreth. Listen carefully. Seth foreth. There are some exceptionals also. It is ending up with e. It is ending up with t. It is ending up with t. Though it is ending up with t, it is Seth only. So these kind of exceptionals alone you have to memorize. Otherwise, noun ending up with e is feminine. Hope it is clear. Okay. Then second one, noun or object starting with vowel and masculine singular. Okay. Singular, and in bracket I have written masculine. That is masculine singular. Okay. Listen carefully. Noun or word or object should start with vowel. but it should be singular, and also it should be masculine. Listen carefully. Should start with vowel, should be singular, and also should be masculine. It is vowel concept is not applicable for feminine singular. It is applicable only for masculine singular. Okay. Say for example, usually how will you categorize it is masculine? If it is ending up with other alphabets, it is masculine. How will you categorize it starting with vowel? In French, A, E, I, O, U and H are the vowel letters. Since it is starting with H and also it is ending up with other alphabet, so it is masculine, singular, and also starting with vowel, and also starting with vowel. So then in that case, say topital, say total, okay, say total, say topital, say total. This hospital, this hotel. Hope it is clear. It is starting with vowel, and also it is singular, and also it is masculine. It is masculine, starting with vowel, and also it is singular. Only for this case, you have to write CET. CET. Okay. Then, vowel concept is not applicable for feminine singular. Listen here. This is also singular. This is also starting with vowel. Okay. E is a vowel, starting with vowel. And this is also singular only, because it is not ending up with es or s or x. Okay, in what case we will categorize it as plural? If it is ending up with yes, es or x. Okay, only in that case we will categorize it as plural. So this is starting with vowel and also it is singular, but even then it is set only, because it is ending up with E. It is ending up with E. What we have learnt is, whatever ending up with E is feminine. So for feminine, this vowel concept is not applicable. You have to, as usual, write the feminine concept only. Hope it is clear. It is starting with vowel. It is singular. But even then, this vowel concept is not applicable. The reason why is, it is feminine singular. For feminine singular, vowel concept is not applicable. So, as usual, you have to apply feminine concept. What is feminine concept here? Feminine demonstrative here is Seth. So, that we have written here. Hope it is clear. Okay. Seth Ethwal, Seth Eglis. Same. Eglis means church. It is starting with vowel and is singular, but it is feminine. So, vowel concept is not applicable. Vowel concept is not applicable. Ecole means school. It is starting with vowel. Okay. And it is singular, but it is feminine, and vowel concept is not applicable here. Now, let us move on to masculine. Noun or object ending up with other alphabets are masculine. Any other alphabet, T, R, it is ending up with T and R, it is masculine singular. Sir Vathmo, Sir Swar. This cloth, this evening. This cloth, this evening. Okay, Vathmo means cloth, Swar means evening. Swar means evening. Hope it is clear. There are some exceptionals also. Exceptionals, as usual, you know, though it is ending up with E, it is masculine. So, exceptionals you have to memorize, no other way. Now, let us move on to the last one. Noun or object ending up with S, X or ES is plural and marked as ses. Okay. Say fleuve, say bois, say total, say rivière. Sorry, say hotel, say rivière. Listen carefully. It is ending up with es or s. Okay. It is plural. So ces. Plural concept, if you see here, you just check it out here. What is the plural concept for adjective demonstrative? It is ces. So the same you are bringing here. Here it is ending up with s. So say. Ending up with s, say. Ending up with es, say. Ending up with es, say. Ending up with es, say. Ending up with s, say. And if you see here, this one, if you see says hotel, says étoile, says église, says école. If you see this, though it is starting with vowel, it is plural. It is plural. So for plural, vowel concept is not applicable. Vowel concept is not applicable. Then says étoile. Though it is starting with vowel, it is ending up with es. So for plural, vowel concept is not applicable. You have to apply only the plural concept. ces. So same like this, église. It is starting with e and it is ending up with es. Okay, it is starting with e, so vowel. It is ending up with es, it is plural. So vowel concept is not applicable for plural. Similarly for école, it is starting with vowel and it is plural. So vowel concept is not applicable for either it is masculine plural or feminine plural. Either it is masculine plural or feminine plural in vowel. Okay, in vowel, starting with vowel. Plural, vowel concept is not at all applicable in plural. You have to, as usual, apply only the plural method, ces. Okay, so that is what I have written here also. Vowel concept is not applicable for plural. Hope it is clear for you all. Okay, now let us move on to the exercise. Let us see 9th exercise in page number 32. 9th exercise, ce soir. Soir, it is ending up with, listen here, it is ending up with other alphabet. So what should come here? Ce soir. C'est la fête de mon ami. This evening, it is the function of my friend. Now, next one, semaine. Semaine is ending up with e. So it is ending up with e, it is feminine, singular. So what should come there? Cette. Cette semaine, j'ai mes examens. This week, I have my exams. Dash chien est malade. Dash chien est malade. It is ending up with e. So it is feminine singular. And for feminine singular, the adjective demonstrative is cette. Then hotel, it is ending up with l. So it is masculine because it is ending up with other alphabet and it is starting with the vowel and it is singular. So it is vowel, masculine and singular. So you have to write C-E-T. C-E-T. Here it is ending up with S. So plural. It is starting with vowel. Though it is starting with vowel, it is ending up with plural. So for plural, vowel concept not applicable. Okay, so ses appartement, you have to apply only the plural concept. Plural is ses appartement, so confortable. So chien means dog. Malad means not well. Malad means not well. This dog is not well. Dash hotel et petit. This hotel is small. Petit means small. Dash appartement so confortable. These apartments are comfortable. These apartments are comfortable. Now let us move on to the next exercise. 10th exercise in page number 33. Jacques cherche les clés de dash bureau. Jacques cherche les clés de dash bureau. Jack search the keys. Clay means keys. Okay. Search means search. Search means search. Jack searches the keys of this bureau. Now we have to see the noun here. Bureau. It is ending up with U. It is ending up with other alphabet. So it is what? Masculine singular. So for masculine singular it is CE. CE. Okay. Adjective demonstrative is CE. Then Sir Bureau. Avion, it is ending up with other alphabet. So masculine. And it is starting with vowel. And also it is singular. Okay. So it should be CET. You have to apply vowel concept here because it is masculine, it is singular, and also it is starting with vowel. D'école à 7h30. Departs. D'école means departs at time they have given. Je prends dash bouteille de jus de fruits. Bouteille means bottle. Bouteille means bottle. Je prends means I take. I take this bottle of fruit juice. Jus de fruit means fruit juice. Bouteille, it is ending up with E. So it is feminine singular. Cette bouteille. Then, nous trouvons dash légumes exotiques au marché. We find this vegetables. Legume means vegetables. So it is ending up with S or ES, whatever it is. So it is plural. So plural. So for plural it is CES. We find these legumes. We find these legumes. Then dash brochure de yoga et intéressant. Dash brochure the yoga. This brochure of yoga is interesting. Brochure ending up with E. Brochure ending up with E. Since it is ending up with E, it is feminine singular. Seth. So it is Seth here. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear for you. Okay. Now let us move on to the next exercise. Next exercise in page number 33 is also the same. Elle s'intéressant à film. Film means film only, but it is ending up with other alphabets, so you have to put sir. Okay, she is interested in this film. Sir film. Then, quelles sont les dates de vacances de dash année? What are all the vacation dates of this year? Listen carefully. It is starting with vowel. Okay. Secondly, it is singular because it is not ending up with s or es or x. Third one, it is ending up with e, so it is feminine. So for feminine singular vowel, plural concept is not applicable, not at all applicable. Okay, so you have to apply the usual feminine singular concept. Seth, Annie. Dash plan on the tous les musées importants de la vie. This plan, ce plan, it is ending up with N. It is ending up with other alphabet. So it should be ce plan. Ce plan on the tous les musées importants. Hope it is clear. Then dash, that's all. Ce plan. This plan indicates all the museums important of the city. V means city. V means city. Then nous achetons dash appartement. We buy this apartment. It is starting with vowel and it is singular. It is ending up with T. So it is masculine. So for masculine singular vowel concept is applicable. So CET. Nous achetons cet appartement. Then tu prends dash route. It is ending up with E. If it is ending up with E, it is feminine singular. So for feminine singular, you have to write Seth. Hope it is clear for you all. I repeat one more time. Words ending up with E are always feminine singular. Words ending up with S, ES or X, it is masculine, plural. Okay. I'm sorry. Or plural. Okay, masculine and masculine plural, and if it is ending up with ES, it is feminine plural. I repeat one more time. Words ending up with E is feminine singular. Words ending up with ES is feminine plural. Words ending up with S or X is masculine plural. Okay, and then words ending up with other alphabets are masculine singular. However, for this, we need not segregate it into feminine plural and masculine plural. It is simply plural here. Okay. So for masculine singular, you have to write CE. Feminine singular, you have to write CETTE. And for masculine plural and feminine plural, together it is plural only. For plural, you have to write CES. For vowel, masculine singular. For masculine singular, this vowel concept is applicable. You have to write CET. And for feminine singular vowel, it is CETTE only. CETTE only. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear for you all. And the meaning for all this is this. Okay. And for CES, plural only, plural alone. CES, plural, it is what? These. It is these. Merci. Merci means thank you. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Bonne journée. Have a nice day.